What's the meaning of cavalier? Cavalier. Cavalier.
Cavalier. Cavalier. Cavalier can be used as both a noun and an adjective. As a noun, it refers to a gallant or chivalrous gentleman, especially one who is attentive to women. As an adjective, it describes someone who is carefree, nonchalant, or dismissive of important matters. The word has connotations of arrogance and recklessness. It can also refer to a type of horseman who fought with a sword during the Renaissance era. Overall, cavalier typically implies a person or behavior that is showy, confident, and often lacking in seriousness or concern.